How to use split screen on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to use your split screen on Android device. Let's just get started. First thing first, what you need to do is go ahead and open up any one of the apps. So I've got my WhatsApp open over here. Let's say if I wanted to open on split screen, what I can do is move it to recent apps, tap on the WhatsApp logo at the top, and then you can find the open in split screen view. Tap on it. Now you can select any other apps that are open on your recents, or you can just completely open up a new app at the bottom of your screen. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and open up settings down below. And I'm able to use both WhatsApp and my settings at the same time. So I can easily text someone on WhatsApp. I can just tap here, type my message, go back and browse through my settings as well. And that's how you basically do the split screen view on WhatsApp. If you want to flip them, just tap on this middle partition, then tap on this arrow icon so that it flips them up and down. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.